like so mad right now. It's a real struggle, guys. जो आई शेडो लगाया था वो भी उड़ गया. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm like all over the place right now. I'm so sorry, but I'm so excited for today's video because in today's video I'm going to be doing like a cheapest Nykaa haul plus get ready with me, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm always excited for videos like these because, you know, I just love playing with makeup and trying out new products and telling you if they work or not, even if they're like 50 rupees, 30 rupees. Like, I just love trying new makeup. So basically I have like a whole like full face of makeup right here in front of me that I got with my own money. So yes, for the video. So you know, there's that filter thing that you see when you're shopping on Nykaa or any other app. So there's that filter thing जहाँ पे आप अपना price को low to high or high to low, you know, कर सकते हो. So I did that. So this right here is all the cheapest makeup that is available on Nykaa, and I have my phone right here so that I can tell you what the price of the product is and why didn't I get the other thing and why this, you know, all of those good things. I'll be sharing that with you. So we have the full face of makeup, cheapest makeup on Nykaa right here. One thing that I want to tell you is I am not against cheap makeup until and unless there are like certain ingredients that are not used in them. But yeah, I mean, like, let's just play with it. इसके बाद उतार ही देना है. वैसे भी साथ साथ आपको अपने first impressions भी दूंगी वीडियो में products के बारे में. So without wasting any time, let's just finally get into the video. Actually really confused if I should go with the base makeup first or with the eyes. I think I'm gonna get started with the base makeup. Alright, so for the foundation I got this Blue Heaven oil free makeup foundation. So when you type foundation on the Nykaa app, the like lowest पे, तो सबसे पहले आता है VI John makeup foundation. उसके बाद liquid foundation है. ये 50 rupees के foundation थे. So मुझे था कि मैं बहुत skeptical थी इसके बारे में that if I should get those or not. So I thought कि अगर मैं आप लोगों के लिए कुछ ले रही हूँ तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर मैं 50 rupees का ले लूँगी entertainment के लिए वो काफ़ी अच्छा हो सकता था. But I wanted to give you guys the quality, and I've heard कि Blue Heaven के products are really nice. So I got this foundation and this was I think for 90 rupees. Yes, this is for 90 rupees. So let's start applying this foundation and I'm going to build it little by little. I don't want, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं है product कैसे use होगा जो भी है. So I'm going to just apply this. और मुझे shade का भी नहीं पता. So I'm like really nervous, but I'm gonna do it. I think this foundation is really pink in color, and I'm gonna keep my mirror this side actually so that you guys can clearly see it. Okay, so this foundation has 0 to like medium coverage. You can definitely, I don't know if you can build it up or not, but the shade is very pink. You know, it's like it has pink undertone and it actually looks like pink in color. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but the coverage is like really normal. अभी जैसे मैंने सिर्फ थोड़ा सा ही apply किया था. Now I'm gonna take a little bit more. Since it has like very sheer coverage, you can apply it a little bit more. It's like really fun for me to try out new products and get shocked if they work or not. Okay, by the way, this foundation is doing a good job. चाहे इसकी sheer coverage है, but it's a nice foundation. Alright, so once the foundation is on, now I'm going to go ahead and conceal. And for the concealer, I got this. This is the Insight Makeup Essentials 2X Cover Concealer. I think it's going to work. Like, the foundation was also not that bad. This is how this concealer looks like. When you type concealer on Nykaa and do low to high, you get a Blue Heaven Expression makeup stick, which is exactly not a concealer. It just comes up like that. So I got the Insight Cosmetics one because it was on the number 2. So I'm gonna use a very little amount of this as well. I'm not sure about the shade because when you get shades online, oh god, this is in the shade 03 Golden Sand, and I really want this look to turn out good. I'm going to start blending it out. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this concealer is blending out really nicely. The real thing is to know how it works under the eyes. Oh, it's like turning my under eyes grey, which I was expecting because the color is not my color. But let's just hope for the best. I'm applying more of it because I don't know, it's just not giving me the best coverage. Also I've seen कि एक बारी में wand पे तो अच्छे से आता भी नहीं है product, so you have to like dip in again and again, which is not what I prefer. Now I'm mixing a little bit of my foundation so that the color matches, and this time I'm going to blend my concealer with the PAC 272 brush, and let's see if this makes some difference. Oh yes, definitely a lot more better and more coverage. I'm gonna blend the whole of my face and we'll be back. Now the question is, do I like the concealer? Yes. And is the combination good? Not at all. Like the combination of this Blue Heaven foundation and the Inside Cosmetics concealer, they're not working together nicely. Like akele I think they look good, but when they are mixed together, not at all. So now I'm quickly going to set my face using this Sapphire Blue Heaven Makeup Translucent Powder. This is how this powder looks like, and this one was again on number 2 on the list, but number 1 was out of stock, which is the Gala of London Pearl Face Powder. I anyways wanted loose powder, not the compact one, because I think compact doesn't suit my face. So I'm quickly going to set my face using this powder. The packaging is not that bad, I'm not gonna lie. It also comes with the puff. So let me just open this powder now, which is a task. I'm actually gonna use just my blender to set my face and not this. I'm just getting rid of my creases, taking the powder and setting. I'm not gonna bake because my skin is drying out lately, so I'm just setting it. So this is how I'm gonna set my under eyes. I'm not sure if it's going to have flashback or not, but yeah, I think we should do like a flash test because this powder seems to have that. No, it does not have a flashback. That's a great thing, but it has like a very strong scent to it, which like triggers me again. Base looks cakey, cracky and all of that. Let me just zoom in and show you how my base looks like. Oh my god, can you see that? That is all caked up. Yeah, I'm trying to it's like collecting, and that just triggers me so much. We have to keep going with the video, and now after setting up my whole face, I'm gonna use blusher. I don't have a contour. I think I forgot to use a primer. This is the primer that I got for the video. This is the Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. It feels really soft. Oh my god, I wish I could apply the primer. I'll just try that primer some other time, but it really feels soft and moisturizing and, you know, silicone-y like all the primers. Now I got a bronzer. So for the bronzer, I got this LA Colors bronzer. This is how this looks like. This actually is like a shimmer bronzer. I don't know if it's a bronzer or a highlighter, but when you type bronzer on Nykaa, this is what appears. So the funniest part is when you type bronzer on Nykaa, something from Blue Heaven Shimmer Dust Powder comes out. Now guys, bronzer is brown in color. What are you doing, Nykaa? So the one that I got, so I just realized that this bronzer is not the cheapest. This one is for rupees 550, but usse pehle bhi bahut sare aa gaye. Even the sugar bronzer is for 400 rupees. My bad. But let's just open this and use it because 550 is not a bad deal for a bronzer, I guess. This is like a highlighter and less of a bronzer, so we have to check that out. But this is how this looks like. This is not a bronzer. Oh god, bronzer liya to wo bhi galat. Oh my god, can you see that? It's actually pretty, but I don't think so that can be used as a bronzer. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm thinking of like, you know, scraping some of it out. So when you scrape this thing out, you get the bronzer. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm going to scrape this product out like that and make it a bronzer. Oh my god, this is like a whole mess. Let me just show you what I did. This is how the product looks like. This is a new product, guys. Oh my god. It's red. It's so red in color. This product is okay-ish. I'm not gonna say this is the best bronzer ever. So अभी मैंने काफ़ी सारी variety आपको दिखा दी है brands में, like Blue Heaven, we have Insight Cosmetics, LA Colors. Now I'm gonna use Swiss Beauty. I'm not mad at the packaging, to be honest. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a very shiny kind of a blusher, if you can see that. I'm really not into shiny blushers. I like matte blushers more than the shiny ones, but we don't have an option, so just swirl it. I'm just gonna take off the excess blusher on the back of my hand. This blush is actually really pretty, but it has like a satin finish to it, if you can see that. जिनके ज़्यादा texture या pores नहीं है, they can definitely go ahead and use it. But this one I can't do that with, so let's just leave it right there. सबसे पहले Blue Heaven का आता है, if you can see, but मुझे लगा कि मुझे brands में थोड़ा change लाना चाहिए. Like I have all the different brands right here, so that's that. And then we also have Miss Claire's blusher. Now this one was out of stock, so that is why I had to get the third one. And the next step of the base is always a highlighter, and for that, when you type highlighters on Nykaa and sort it out from low to high, so सबसे पहले आता है Blue Heaven का Shimmer Dust Highlighter, this one. So I got this, and this is just for ₹95. By the way, this is how this looks like. When you open this, you have a lid. Actually, you have to open the whole thing, and this is how this looks like. It's a loose highlighter. I am scared. Amount of this highlighter, and pray to God and apply. If you're into plain highlighters, this one is not for you. Moving on. Bling bling bling. I'm gonna start with my eyes, and for the eyes I got this eyeshadow palette from Blue Heaven. This one is called Elegance eyeshadow palette, and I don't like it already. Let me tell you why. This only has 4 shades. So when you type eyeshadow palette on Nykaa, you get Blue Heaven first. So मेरे टाइम पे सबसे पहले ये वाली आ रही थी, अब ये बेटर वाली आ रही है. Why? और ये वाली शो ही नहीं कर रहा अब ये. I think ये out of stock हो गया होगा, so that is why this is not showing up. And I think much better palettes than this one are showing up right now. Because मैं होती तो मैं definitely Swiss Beauty वाली खरीदती ये वाली, because this looks really good. ये पैलेट 150 रुपीज़ की है, और जो अभी ये शो कर रहा है ये 135 की है. So it's okay, we have this one, but I don't like it. I'm already telling you because it ये इसके साथ आया था. Let me just throw that away. And this is the condition of the palette. Oh my god, can you see this? This is such a dirty palette. I am not ready to use it, to be honest, but because सारे तो इसमें shimmer shades हैं. So firstly I'm gonna take this shade because we have to like use it for the video. So I'm gonna start applying it on the lid because it matches my top and we don't have any other option. I am thinking that I can use this LA Colors bronzer for the transition shade. Okay, so once that is done, I'm now going to take this shade again and apply it on my lids with my finger because I want to see how nice it looks. You know, my base is like all over the place because I used this glitter. Otherwise it would have looked, you know, थोड़ा तो better लगता. Otherwise चलो ठीक है. I am like so mad right now because my camera's battery just died and the dogs are barking in the back. I'm like so mad, but it's okay. We are gonna continue with whatever we have. I'm just shooting with my phone right now, and I just did a little bit of the eye makeup, which looks like nothing, to be honest. It's like nothing. I'm just gonna use the same shade on my lower lash line. I forgot to do my eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I got this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. This one was the cheapest one on Nykaa. So yes, I got this. I'm gonna just brush my eyebrows first, and this is how the pencil looks like. And by the way, I'll mention everything in the description box so that you guys can also check out these products. So I'm just taking my spoolie to brush it up. I really don't like this kind of combs or whatever you call it. I like spoolie more than that. So once like I'm done with my eyebrows and this pencil, oh my god, I really liked it. It's pigmented. I think it was for 65 rupees. Useless eyeshadow ये वाली, useless. It's not doing anything. But I'm gonna use this as my eyeshadow because otherwise तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. इसी से थोड़ा काम चला लेते हैं, and it's glitter. Let's see how it works. Look how pretty this looks. And but you know, it's gonna get all over the place. That is the only thing. This video is becoming a fail. Now I'm gonna take this kajal. This is the In Color Intense Long Wear Eye Pencil. This is how this looks like. Super sharp, super good. And I'm gonna just line. Oh my god, this is so tikha. Cannot make it better than this. This is the Insight Cosmetics mascara, which is called Extra Volume Supreme. Let's see if it does what it says. Look at this packaging. Let's just do this. I would like to apply this on like a regular basis. I'm not proud of this makeup look. I'm actually really excited to put on the lip color. So this is again by Insight Cosmetics. This one is non-transfer lip color. This is how this looks like. I'm gonna apply this. It is really comfortable and I love the color. Oh my goodness. Thank God we have a win. This is a fail. It worked nicely, but this is a fail because ये अभी मेरे पूरे चेहरे पर है. Otherwise the makeup look was not that bad, but because of this, it's like all over. I like it, but I don't like it, you know. Okay, so now the question is if I want to apply these lashes or not. Now these lashes are really cheap. These are for 150 rupees. Just have a good look. It's a real struggle, guys. So this is the final look. I don't know if you guys are liking it or not because I don't like it. I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but the glitter is like all over my face. I just can't tolerate that. जो eyeshadow लगाया था वो भी उड़ गया. Worst product. Don't buy this. This will ruin your whole makeup look, okay? And the best thing that I can say are like too many. Like there are so many best things. I really like the eyebrow pencil. I loved this lip color and the lip formula. Everything about this lipstick is so good. I can't stop looking at my lips. So yes, I really liked it, and you can try this out. This one was so cheap and this one was for rupees 75. I also liked the eyebrow pencil. I liked the blusher. I'm not gonna lie, I liked it, but I really don't, you know, prefer a satin finish. So yeah, I liked the powder. What else? So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you super soon in my next video now. Bye.